Alright guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can get from anchor point here straight to the rolling wave skate park faster. So here, if you did all the missions, you will be able to unlock the bus stop. So click on the bus stop and you will be closer to this skate park right here, and just add a waypoint and ride along the way. You can hold a rectangle, so it will be faster for you. Of course, if you have these fast travel points right here, unlock those, and you'll be fast, and it will be faster for you to go straight to Rolling Wave Skate Park. So that's pretty much it. Of course, keep scoring while enjoying the music. So play a music from the playlist like this, and just ride along the way and do tricks. So that's pretty much it, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.